Our Milky Way galaxy is an awe-inspiring place. It's a swirling mass of stars, gas, and dust. It's so vast that it's hard to imagine its true size. What's even more incredible is that our galaxy is just one of billions in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies contains billions upon billions of stars. Even more mind-boggling is the sheer number of stars within our own galaxy. Astronomers estimate that the Milky Way is home to over 200 billion stars. Each of these stars is a giant ball of burning gas, just like our own sun. These stars come in a variety of sizes and colors. Some are much larger than our sun, while others are much smaller. Some stars are bright and hot, while others are faint and cool. Our sun is a fairly ordinary star, but it's still an incredible object. It's the center of our solar system and the source of all life on Earth. At the heart of our solar system blazes our sun, a star in its prime. The sun appears to us as a constant ball of light and heat, but it is a dynamic and powerful object. It constantly undergoes nuclear fusion in its core. This process converts hydrogen into helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the process. This energy radiates outwards from the sun's core. It travels through the solar system in the form of light and heat. It's this energy that sustains all life on Earth. The sun's energy output is not constant, however. It goes through cycles of activity with periods of more and less intense energy release. These cycles can have a noticeable impact on Earth's climate. Despite these fluctuations, the sun is currently in a relatively stable state. It's been this way for billions of years, providing the perfect conditions for life to evolve on our planet. But this stability won't last forever. The sun, like all stars, has a life cycle. It's not going to shine forever. Over billions of years, the sun will undergo a series of dramatic transformations. These changes will have profound effects on the entire solar system. Right now, the sun is in the main sequence phase of its life. It's fusing hydrogen into helium in its core, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. This process will continue for billions of years to come, but eventually the sun will start to run out of hydrogen fuel in its core. As this happens, the core will begin to contract and heat up. The outer layers of the sun will expand outwards and the sun will become a red giant. This transformation into a red giant won't happen overnight. It's a slow and gradual process that will take billions of years to unfold, but it's an inevitable consequence of the sun's evolution. Section 4. A solar system in flux, the red giant's impact. As the sun transitions into a red giant, its size and luminosity will increase dramatically. It will swell to many times its current size, engulfing the orbits of Mercury and Venus. The Earth's fate is less certain, but it will likely be uninhabitable. The increased solar radiation will boil away Earth's oceans and strip away its atmosphere. The once temperate planet will be transformed into a barren, scorched wasteland. The outer planets in the solar system will also be affected by the sun's transformation. The increased solar wind from the red giant sun will push outward. This will reshape the magnetospheres of the gas giants and potentially alter their orbits. The asteroid belt, a region of rocky debris between Mars and Jupiter, will also be disrupted. Asteroids will be flung out of the solar system or sent on collision courses with planets. Section 5. Earth's uncertain fate, a planetary balancing act. The exact fate of Earth during the sun's red giant phase is still a subject of scientific debate. Some models suggest that the Earth will be completely engulfed by the expanding sun. Other models predict that the Earth will be pushed outward into a wider orbit, just escaping the sun's fiery grasp. Even if Earth does avoid being swallowed by the sun, it will still be rendered uninhabitable. The intense heat and radiation from the red giant sun will make life on Earth impossible. There is a glimmer of hope, however. Some scientists believe that it might be possible to move the Earth to a safer orbit. This would require advanced technology and a tremendous amount of energy, but it's a possibility that could become more feasible in the distant future. Section 6. The sun's breath, unraveling the mysteries of solar wind. While the sun's transformation into a red giant is billions of years away, its activity is already impacting us today. Solar wind, a stream of charged particles constantly flowing from the sun, can have a significant impact on Earth. Recent research has shown that solar wind can disrupt satellites, interfere with communication systems, and even cause power outages. Understanding and predicting solar wind is crucial for protecting our technology-dependent society. Scientists are constantly studying the sun to learn more about solar wind and its effects. They use a variety of instruments, both on Earth and in space, to observe the sun and track its activity. This research is not only important for protecting our technology, but it also helps us learn more about the sun itself. By understanding the sun's behavior, we can better predict its future evolution and the impact it will have on our planet. Section 7. A universe in motion. Constant change on a cosmic scale. The sun's journey from birth to red giant is a reminder that the universe is in a constant state of flux. Everything changes over time, from the smallest particles to the largest stars. Our own planet, which seems so solid and unchanging, is just a tiny speck caught up in this cosmic dance. It's both humbling and awe-inspiring to think about. As we continue to explore the universe and learn more about the laws that govern it, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. The stars that shine in the night sky are not just distant objects, they are part of the same cosmic story that we are a part of. And just like our own sun, they will eventually reach the end of their lives, seeding the universe with the elements necessary for new stars and planets to form. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the universe. Remember that everything you see, including the stars themselves, is engaged in an epic journey through time and space. Please like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic journeys.